The most commonly asked question in interview point of view is, what are the various copy techniques in Python? The purpose of copy techniques in Python is that to copy the content of one object into another object. In Python programming, we have two types of copy techniques. They are number one, shallow copy, number two, deep copy. Shallow copy. In shallow copy, the content of one object copied into another object, provided the following conditions must be satisfied. The first condition, the initial content of both the objects must be same. The memory addresses of both the objects are different. Third property, the modifications of both the objects are independent. The changes we do on one object are done at this address, the changes we do on another object will be done at another address. So both these addresses are having different modifications, they are not going to reflect to each other. These are the properties of shallow copy. To implement shallow copy in Python, we use copy function, whose syntax is given below. Object name 2 is equal to object name 1 dot copy of. Thank you.